Aconex, every organisation has a private document register for the storage of its documents and drawings. Think of your document register as a virtual filing cabinet. In the document register, the most recent version of all documentation will display first, with old copies still held for your reference. This helps you avoid wasted time and effort on outdated revisions. There's no restrictions on file size or data storage, and nothing can be deleted. When uploading a new document, the information you enter in these fields enables you to find your documents later. Searching is fast and efficient so that information can be retrieved in seconds, and saved searches allow you to find things you need frequently, even faster. If you need to upload a new version of a document, locate the old one in the register and select Supersede. When an existing document is updated, it's automatically recorded in the document register and the older version is saved in case you need to refer to it later. You can also upload and supersede multiple documents in the register at once using the bulk supersede tool. Organizations can quickly share information with external parties within the project by issuing transmittals. A document transmittal ensures this updated document is added to the other organization's document register. Sharing information in a transmittal is better than sharing via mail because it prevents duplicates and automatically updates older versions in all document registers. It's important to understand that unless it's marked confidential, you can see everything uploaded by someone in your organization who's working on the same project. When you're working with other organizations on the same project, you can also see documents they have sent you and vice versa. But they have their own document register for the project. They can't see your documents and you can't see theirs. So there's complete transparency at the project level, but organizations maintain separate registers.